Je to super. Teďka. Caspian, takže je tu halus, dá sa tu hrať ping-pong, robiť niečo z hliny, liesť po stene, hrať počítač, proste je to tu fajn, preto tu aj rada chodím.
Shots rain like thunder. How do I keep from going under? It's like a jungle. Sometimes it makes me wonder, will I ever amount to anything good? I'm in the zoo called America, trapped in the cage called the hood, where they got me acting like a beast. I'm dealing with my khakis, peace ain't got stuck like a piece. I'm not an animal, but my mind is caged up. I'm numbered days, but if I gotta go out, I'm going out while my cage full. The dangerous bitches, hard hitters, the roaches, most of the notorious mad gangster, OG evil, now outlaw, got this AK and I'm ready to spray like mace. So don't come whooping in my face, I'm ready to catch a case on you, fool. So bring it on if you wanna try your luck on this young buck. Run up and I'll serve you like a sprunkler. How do I exit out this gang, bro? I'm sick of life of a hustler. It's the everyday same old clocking in and knocking skins like a player should. Down with my gang and slanging these things through the neighborhood. Everybody knows me from sucking up the OG. Although I'm just a BG, they still don't wanna see me. Cause I'm a young soldier, handling my business from my shoulders. I'm waiting to catch you slipping when I'm tripping, then I stroke you, nigga. I told you I got the brothers in the plastic baggie. I got this fofo Maggie. In my waist, my pants is saggy. I'm a gangster with the other gangster soldiers in my boot camp. The yayo's in my palm, cause I'm sick of mom shopping with these food stamps. If anything could help me with my nine could, even if it means sending me to the Pinewood rocks. I'm on the block with my rocks, I got my Glock cock, cause niggas wanna smoke me. Life ain't a joke, see I can move away, but soon I'll be coming back. That's where my family, my hood, and my money's at. What should I do, and who can I turn to? I got the feds on my back, cause they know I'm still...
Aké sú tvoje najprvšie zážitky z Caspianu? Fúha, víkendovky, týždňovky? Môže byť? No. Rozprávaj. No to je asi všetko, víkendovky, týždňovky. A prečo? Ja, bolo tam halus.
I'm sick of being locked up in the C-A-G-E. So tell me who got the key and is he down to set me free, G? Cause any second from now I might go crazy.
A na Kube vôbec? Na Kube, fú, hry, všetko, ping-pong, tak. A ľudia nič? No, aj ľudia. Čo keď tu chodíš, tak väčšinou nehráš stále iba nejaké hry. No, si bude tak, keď sa ďalej bolostičky. Keby si mal povedať jednu vetu o Caspiane, tak by si povedal, aby sa ten človek vedel predstaviť. Je to super. No, ale
I'm serving at my spot, clocking a back rip, won't catch me on the black tip. I'm catching these niggas slipping and let this gas spit. They smoke my low, so I'm making sure these guys dodge. So park the hoop around the corner, bump a drive-by. I'm talking about walking up, point blank range. I hand him a bitch, you know what time it is, ain't nothing strange. The streets is do or die, is who I am. I got between your eyes, my hands on the trigger. I figure that I be doing, you be die. Nigga, life is by the day, I have no dreams. My only means of survival is these dope fiends. You say me selling dope, it's a cop-out. I try to apply, but I'm a high school dropout. Bump welfare, chill like the one for bumming. Plus pregnant woman equals baby coming. It's kinda hard to lead this.
Proste je to tu celé dobré. Takže preto som rada chodím. Aj keď už dlhší čas som sem nechodila, ale proste je to tu fajn.
So I got to get my slang on. I started with 25 off 100, but now I'm coming up. It's 6 months later, now I'm the one that's dipping double up. I hate seeing crack babies, but when it comes to money, I get evil, even serve it to my own people. I'm cold-hearted, to get judged, you can't have love to stand. I serve a kid if he comes with a dove in his hand. Man, it's bad, I wanna be a good dad. I just wanna give my baby things I never had. In my heart, that's a void. I'm paranoid. If I get caught with this dope, I'm sure. Street life got a nigga going crazy. Jackers wanna fade me. I'm too young. I ain't the one to be pushing the daisy. But soon I'll be in the pen like the until I'm 80. I never see my baby. Lord, can you save me? I'm Mr. Town, the east side Comptown Loaster. Known to pack a strap, they also call me Little Host. I'm next to
Sevas, tu som.
I got the strap and Mr. Town is on the mission. We rolls up slower, pulls a 9 out.
Did you smoke?
I didn't stick around to find out. I just kept jumping. jumping as I seen niggas falling, stumbling and crawling. My homie hit the gas and started hauling, back in all black with my big Mac gun, ready to get mine. Look in the rearview mirror, tell me what to find. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, give it up. Jack behind your rack with my strap to jack your grip. The streets gave me hate, so I'm giving it back. And I'd rather jack than be on show while you shit no fat. They said be true to the game, and the game will be true to you, but the game got me belling in this Tony Blues. It's all about control, driving, get no swole. You don't ride now, locked in the hole. When I touch down, when I become a Mr. Town, will I get my cap, feel my bitches up the block, still in my face, still a can a nigga get some help. Fools trying to smoke me, plus I'm thinking of smoking myself. What can I do? I don't have a clue. My life is through, ain't nobody I can turn to.